battery, 10 minutes. If you have many cables, like if you edit and you have like, you know, all kind of cables, this gave us so much peace of mind, you know, because we had cables all over the place. There's a lot of pockets, a lot of things for keeping cables and SD cards and flash here for SD cards. This is for the iPad, I think. And I have my cable for the computer here. I mean, like, you have a lot of space in this bag, so I really recommend it. Yes, it's amazing. I love this bag. Hi friends, hope everyone is doing well. So today is a little bit of an update on things that we have done inside the van and some storage organizational items that we have bought and are helping a little bit. So after Death Valley, we had mentioned that we had some projects. We raised the bed, and for that we gained some storage space under the bed, and we installed the sink. Now here we have some dishes and stuff. And when we were in Slab City, we got rid of almost all of the clothes. You remember in the van tour, all this was full of clothes, so we got rid of almost all of it. The other part of the clothes is in the storage bin, and I'm gonna show an item that is helping with that. And we still got a little bit of clothes that need some ironing. And the last update was this table, and we have the electric system all covered with this mesh so that Chichi wouldn't eat all of the cables. Today we are doing some unboxing and sharing those items that I talked about. So I got some mail today. First of all, mail call from Happy Place Camping on YouTube. These are amazing friends, one of the best supporters that we have. They have watched all of our videos. They always leave amazing comments, and anytime I have a creative crisis, she is the one who first writes a very nice comment. So they do camping, traveling, fishing, magnet fishing, and they are so consistent. I admire them because there hasn't been a week that they haven't posted a video. They are very good at that, and they have always very good videos. Keep it simple, as they say. So here is a little sticker. Love it. And I got a letter. Just adore you and really hope we get to meet up one day. I really hope that too. And you have to cook for us. Your delicious camping food is like the best. Guys, you have to check out the fish and chips video. It's just that I had to go just right away to the store, to the grocery store, and buy some fish to fry, at least like that, because that was just delicious. Felix, Jesse, and of course Darby. They have a boxer, which is also like the queen. P.S. If you did want to keep the card, stop it on a bulletin board somewhere or trash it. You think I'm gonna trash this, Felix? Of course I'm gonna keep it. Thank you so much. Oh, and I got their Keeping It Simple card. Please go check them out. They are very good friends. And today we have this item that is gonna solve our clothing problem. So this is a handheld garment steamer. Powerful steam in only 30 seconds. So it must be hot in very short time. So it is 1200 watts of power. It is not like an RV thing or 12 volts. We're gonna try this one out so that we can just get rid of that. We're gonna put it on the drawers or on the storage bin, and we're gonna have all that space finally clean. So for the unboxing, it's gonna bring our friend Vlad.
Hello. So let me crack it open. There's some little container for water, I guess.
Yeah.
Different kind of brushes. I guess this is some kind of manual. I don't know what that is yet. So I guess this thing you gotta use to pour water in there. I'm not gonna top it off.
Alright, so let's test it out. Okay, now we have 53 and AC loss because we have some things running like the lights and the fan and I don't remember what else. Okay, let's see. Whoopa. Okay, that's a lot. Okay, so it stopped blinking, so it's supposed to be already hot. Let's see. Ty są masa show, Vlad! Boże mój. No.
So if you're lazy and you don't feel like holding this trigger at all times, you can just lock it in on position and do your thing.
Okay, it was just a testing and let's see, only 1% we lost in about 5 minutes, so not that bad.
So they say that you gotta empty the water tank before you store it.
Alright, so now we know that we can fold the clothes and we're not gonna use it, just iron whatever I need, so I don't need to hang this anymore. So I'm gonna take care of all these clothes. I'm gonna show you how we did the storage underneath the bed with the other clothes and another item that we have over there. Adding a little bit of this for the smell so that it gives nice smell inside. Look at these. Awesome! Here are like 5 pieces and they were all in this huge drawer. This is a better brand, but they only had the large size, so that's what I got, I don't know, that brand with the medium sizes. We already got a lot of winter stuff all shrinked, and it's amazing how everything is going to fit in only one container. What? You want the air or what do you want? What do you want, Chicky? 3 winter blankets and more t-shirts in there. This green one was occupying that bag over there, half of that container. So we have almost 1 container empty. Okay, so this is all the clothes. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bags. That's a lot. All that is not going here, but instead is going to this one, which is bigger. And the problem is that we have the canned food in here, the dry food, and every time I wanted to grab something, I would have to lift this container with the clothes there and it would open something like that. It was really hard to reach, and we use this almost every day compared to the seasonal clothing, in this case for the winter clothes. So now we are sure that we're not gonna be using any of the winter clothes on the blankets and stuff like that, so we're gonna put that in that, and we're gonna move all of the dry goods to here so that it would be easier to reach every day. It's a little bit tight, but I guess with this one on top it's gonna close itself better. Right now it's a little bit too much. B. Get organized in style. Look at this packaging, so beautiful, so elegant. Wow, a gift for you. I like it. They have printed on this paper the same logo. Wow, look at these. Feels nice in here. Fleece or something like that. lovely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for sunglasses organizer, because we have a mess up there. So yeah, here is this mess. Sometimes we keep these brochures when we go to national parks, and many things apart from this. So sometimes the sunglasses might get scratched between them, even though we have this at least, right? So I threw away already 2 because they were already old. And now these are the 5 that I keep. So let's try this. The Velcro is pretty strong. Perfect. Fits perfectly. Oh yeah. And I think it is more compact than ordering a case for each of these. This case is already old, so nice. Take this away. Oh yeah, it fits very well and it looks so much organized and better, right? Alright, so here are the dresses folded in a Marie Kondo method, which helps save space, storage space. Not much left here. And I have the t-shirts as well, same method. It really helps save a lot of space. And I leave the design so that you could see which t-shirt it is. You know, I like t-shirts with quotes, positive quotes most of the time, or something interesting saying. Black shorts and pants. And working and all of the national parks and other kind of t-shirts. Oh my god, looking so much spacious. Yeah, so nicer. I forgot to tell you that we raised the bed and it is across the van and not along as it was. Before, the bed would come up to here, so we gain the space, and we gain the space specifically for the sink. So next project will be try to find like a cover for the sink so that we can use the space for doing things like here and covering all this mess. So far we will keep all the dishes and pans here because we are using them on a daily basis. And I have a subscriber that asked me the other day, and just in case for someone this might be helpful to know, that someone asked us how do we hang the clothes. So
basically there's these ribs across the roof, and we got these carabiners big enough to fit through the holes in these ribs, and this wooden stick, and it hangs in there really good.
yeah, we have had this for almost a year and it has held all of the heavy weight of the clothes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Right, Chichi? Right, Chichi? How was your nappy time, Chichi? Did you have many sweet dreams? Yeah? You cute little doggy. You cute little doggy. Chichi. Chichi. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that messy girl. She loves that. She has a big friend. They do cooking, amazing camping, amazing camp food cooking, amazing cooking in the. Don't forget to check out the links on the description. Don't forget to check out the links on the description. Don't forget to check out the links on the description below. And take care and enjoy the rest of the summer. See you in the next one. Bye.